What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Dempsey's Ranch. It's the 1st of spring. It's finally here. The grass is finally grown. Thank God. Let's check out the chickens and the ducks. This right here is a temporary coop for my Peking duck. But these guys found it and they destroyed it. They put food everywhere. Thanks for that. It's so nice to finally have grass grown back in the field. I think I saw a chicken here. Where should go? They're expanding. Oh, she's gone back up there. But yeah, the chickens are doing good. Spring's here, thank God. I've got a bit of sad news. There's 2 rescue ducks. One of them sadly died. However, this one's doing great. She's doing fantastic. She's still a bit shy, but she's doing great. And she's finally getting along with the other animals, which is great. She's massive. She's a big bird. Her name's Daisy. Bluebell's doing well. Red's doing well. She stopped picking on the ducks, which is good. There's Sonny, the leader. There's Sonny. These are coffee cambos down to the daffy. Keeps there. Had her swimming earlier on. She's still there. I think I need to buy a couple of friends. Thinking about getting another Peking duck to replace the one that sadly died. And a gosling, a goose as well. An Embine goose as well. There's Sully. And I'm after buying a second one of these. Just for her. And maybe some more. Maybe those ducks as well. I think I might keep my chickens and ducks separate for the future. Hey, loving, that's the duck's coop. That's my Daisy's coop, the Peking duck. But these guys are taking it over. You're destroying it. What are you guys doing? Peanut and Ginger. I actually brought those 2 together. It's funny how they're still mates. There's Raven. Hello, Raven. Yeah, got the water, got the feed. The sun's finally back in Ireland. It's about time. The long evenings are back, which are great. Have some more time on the farm. More time for the animals to free range and get grass. It's a great time of year. It really is. Apples hopefully start growing soon on that tree. Hello. Yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Got longer videos coming soon on the farm. Got more animals coming. Hope to buy leghorn chicken, white leghorn chicken, goose, some more ducks, and maybe some guinea fowl. And I also have to clear this up and make a big shed for them all. So yeah, a lot of stuff coming this summer, this spring. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Bye.